Please,
No,
please,
no. Brother, no. Brother, I didn't ask for it.
गलती हो गया, बस दोबारा ऐसा नहीं करेगा। उससे मैं माजरत मांगूंगा, उससे मैं माफी मांगूंगा, कान पकड़ लूंगा उसे।
What is this? No, no. Brother, no. Brother, I didn't ask for it.
Avoid this horse ride scam in Karachi, Pakistan.
No, no danger. Don't try to attack me with your horse. Oh, horses, horses. Oh, fast, fast, fast. Oh, I thought you were going to attack me. Alright. How much? How much?
300 rupees.
300 to where? To where?
See that?
To what, there and back?
Come.
What about if I want to go down there?
Say,
To Chunky Monkey?
this is my come.
Chunky Monkey?
Come.
Okay, 200 bro, 200.
Come.
No, you will do for 200, right?
Come.
He will do, he said 200, he said 200.
200.
200 you will do, okay, to where, to where, to where? To Chunky Monkey.
This is my company.
200 to Chunky Monkey, okay?
Okay.
Okay, to Chunky Monkey, okay. Up. Okay. They don't kneel down for you like the camels do. You actually have to pull yourself up. Okay. No, go to Chunky Monkey.
Come.
Chunky Monkey.
This is my seat.
Okay, I hold my hand here. Okay. I don't understand. Yeah, I want to go to Chunky Monkey. Oh, Oud. Okay. What is the name for your horse? Name. Nama. Nam.
Darling.
Darling. Oh, beautiful name. A beautiful horse with a beautiful name, Darling. Okay. This is a lot more comfortable than the camel ride, for sure. This is nice. I'm not going where I wanted to go though. I wanted to go to the Chunky Monkey amusement park. Brother, I want you to take me to Chunky Monkey. He's ignoring me. I think he's just going to take me to the beach and back, to the water and back. I guess I'm walking to Chunky Monkey. Oud.
Come.
I do already, brother. Little brother. Hi, brother.
This is
How
my
are you?
Good. I'm going with him? Where's he taking me?
Okay,
Sit.
don't worry.
I'm sit. Whoa, what's happening? I think he just smacked the horse's bum with a whip or something. Where are we going? This guy's taking me somewhere.
Don't worry.
I worry, bro, I worry. Because I don't know where you're taking me. I've just been handed off to somebody else.
Yes, sir. This is Chunky Monkey, okay?
Chunky Monkey, okay.
Okay?
Okay, Chunky
Long
Monkey.
ride.
Long ride, how much?
No problem, sir.
Yeah, how much? Problem. You tell me how much first.
My brother,
No,
sir.
he said 200, how much?
No, sir, problem.
No, you have to tell me now, you have to tell me how much.
Okay, don't worry, sir.
I do worry, tell me number, how much? Tell me how many, he said 200, so how much to Chunky Monkey?
Chunky Monkey, 6 ride.
6 rides.
Okay.
How much rupees?
1 ride.
Kitna.
12 चक्कर बनेगा.
To Chunky Monkey, kitna paisa, kitna rupees?
बताएगा.
Kitna rupee, how much?
Video.
Yeah, I will take video. Oh, fast. Oh. Brother, you need to tell me how much.
Okay, don't worry, sir.
Yeah, I worry. Oh, look at the wee man here
This
riding.
my Chunky Monkey, okay?
Yeah, Chunky Monkey, yeah.
Yes, my kishti.
But you need to
This
tell
my
me.
kishti is fish, water is Chunky Monkey.
Chunky Monkey, yeah.
Yeah.
But you need to tell me how much. Kitna rupees.
Kitna rupees is my this checker.
Oh, splashing. Huh?
Yes, water.
Yeah, how much? Tell me on your fingers, how much? He said 200.
He said one ride.
One ride 200. Okay, how much to Chunky Monkey?
Chunky Monkey 20 ride.
20 rides? No way!
Yeah.
It's not 20 rides. Okay, stop. Halas. No, stop now. Stop. No, brother, stop. I'm not paying you 20 rides. I'm not paying you 4,000.
Yeah.
Brother. Halas.
No.
Yeah, halas.
This my.
Brother.
Come.
Brother.
Come pesa.
Okay, stopping. I will walk.
What?
Stopping here, stopping.
Wapsi, my brother.
No, brother, I need to go this way. I want to go this way. Okay, so stop, I will walk. Brother, stop. Brother, I will jump off. I will jump.
No, sir. Oh, brother.
Brother, I will jump.
Yes, also, brother.
You can take the horse without me.
मैं horse
Brother, you can take the horse without me.
घोड़े वाला है ना?
Okay, stop. I will get off.
मेरा ये one घोड़ा.
Yeah?
घोड़ा जो है उसका है.
Oh, wow.
रस्सी.
Brother, I want to go that way. Fast? No, bro.
Yes.
Oh, he's gonna kick me off. She's gonna kick me off. Brother, dangerous. Yeah, danger. Oh, no crazy ride. They were splashing about. Okay, brother, stop here. Stop.
Brother is private danger.
Yeah,
Yes, horse.
because you make her go too fast.
Yes.
Yes. She likes to take it slow, I think.
Yes.
Don't force her to go fast. She doesn't like it. Okay, good. I wanted to go to Chunky Monkey, but it's okay, I will walk. Okay, I can stop here? Stopping? Okay. Oh, Oud. No, I will walk.
This my
Oh.
salute.
Huh?
Salute. This my
Oh, it's very well behaved. Very well behaved.
How are you?
Okay.
Okay.
Brother, kitna rupees? You said 200, right?
One checker.
Yeah,
one
what-
checker 200.
Yeah, but I told them to stop down there. How much you want?
One checker is my
हाँ?
200. तू इस साइड भी
Yeah.
इस साइड पे भी गया सही है
Uh-huh.
हाँ,
Okay,
this
kitna rupees?
5,000
How much? 500?
5,000.
5,000? Crazy. You said 200.
200 one checker.
Yeah, 201, yeah. 200 from all the way up here to down here, right? And this is like the same distance.
My thank you, monkey, sir.
This my one
Yeah?
checker 200.
Yeah?
जाओ भाई
I didn't take 25 rides, so it's
No.
not 5,000.
500 नहीं नो.
Okay, I'll give you 1,000. Thank you,
No,
brother.
no, sir.
Thank you so much.
No.
Have a nice day. Salamu alaikum, brother. Salamu alaikum. Okay, see you guys. Okay, I'm walking. That's how to do it. Just walk away. Oud, no Oud. No Oud, brother, no Oud. I'm going to walk to Chunky Monkey.
My horse.
Huh?
My horse.
Your horse?
Two horse now.
Oh, that's your Oud.
One horse is my two horse, sir.
One horse, your two horse, what?
One, sir.
No, man, I paid for it. I
No,
paid.
sir,
You
it's
take from
my
him.
5,000,
No, you
1,000,
take from
no,
him.
sir.
You take
No,
from
no,
him, brother.
Sir, no.
Brother, you take from
Sir,
him.
No. Two horse.
Take
now.
from him. No,
My
I
two
didn't
horse,
ask.
Sir.
I didn't ask. Me, I
500.
don't ask. I
Give
only
me
ask for horse
5,000.
rides.
Please 5,000.
I'm not giving you 5,000.
Sir,
I don't have 5,000.
Danger.
I don't have 5,000.
Danger.
Yeah, danger. I know. I don't ask for danger. I don't ask for anything.
5,000.
Brother, I don't ask for danger. You're cutting me off. You're cutting me
5,000,
off.
Sir, 5,000.
You're cutting me off. What
Sir,
is this?
please
No,
give me.
no. Brother, no. Brother, I didn't ask for it. I asked for 200 rides and I paid 1,000. No danger. Don't try to attack me with your horse. No. Funny, huh? Funny.
No, yeah, sir, 5,000.
Brother, take from him half. 500. It'll be fair. Okay. Oh no, I don't need Oud. I do already, brother. I do already. Thank you. Oh, hey, brother. Hey. High five. You give me middle finger? Yeah. Very nice. Very bloody nice. No, I don't need camel ride.